My favorite thing is Panch Anguish Chanahiche. Yim chuanan Batkyota, Chai Cheta, Valeta Chai Chai, Valeta Kyobata. Be sorry nafar surt tuchiyatan wale kwashput tikput asaput.
आदाब नाज़रीन, आप देख रहे हो खबर उर्दू। मैं हूं पठान जवान। नाज़रीन, आज मेरे साथ मौजूद है ब्राइडी, जो अमेरिकन है और काफ़ी टाइम से जो है अब कश्मीर में रहता है, और इसको यहाँ से अब इस नाम से जाने जाते हैं कोशुर अंग्रेज़, क्योंकि ये अब कश्मीरी में बात करता है और यहाँ पर इसने अपना एक बिज़नेस यूनिट खोला है, एप्पल पाई यानी कि एप्पल चिप्स यहाँ पर ये बनाता है। आज हमारे साथ मौजूद है ब्राइडी, इनसे हम बात करेंगे। ब्राइडी, शैल वी कन्वर्सेशन इन इंग्लिश और कश्मीरी?
As you like.
Kashmiri?
To get your question.
Koshur, क्या तुझे कोशुर करान? ब्राइडी, गॉड वन तुहंदिस बारस मज क्या तुझे अमेरिकन तो तत किसी हवालस मज जानो गॉड
Bewan?
तुहंदिस बारस मज जानो तुझे अमेरिकन, तुझे अमेरिका पेट कश्मीर आमुत, गॉड वन तो अमेरिकस मज क्या तुझे करान तो तुहंस फैमिली क्या तुझे?
Acha, what I'm doing in America. Magar buchus Kashmir mans. What boss hotel management, boss H1, boss me was facility management, ye chu warrior cheese. Boss come karan, I just wanted to get the experience. So I did anything and everything that came my way.
कुता कल कुते कश्मीर मज रोजा?
Sorry, quarter February. Boas yeti Gornik 2018.
अच्छा, तो क्या करने उसे ते योर आमत?
Bewan?
क्या करने उसे ते योर आमत कश्मीर? As a tourist up.
Gornik boas ak tourist. Be boas chakras wagras ski karan be hechan mutepik look. Be soinchan agar buchus yetsan kom karan yeti.
अच्छा, तो वहीं गए थे त्रवरी ये तो जो ये कश्मीर मज वारियन से वासन बिहुंते तो कम हेचने नु कश्मीर तो कित पट आ तो ये दिमागस मज के बकर ये पाने काम स्टार्ट
Kazi buchus hechan Koshur? Kazi look to Koshur.
अच्छा,
Look to Koshur. Be agar bu os katzen kom karan yeti, bu os soinchan bu paisa kat karan sut look. Be agar buchus Kashiramans bu paisa zanan Koshur.
तो कम करनो ते आत्मज मदद ते कोशुर हेचनस मज?
Bewan?
कम करनो ते मदद कोशुर हेचनस मज?
Kus?
कम करनो मदद?
Who's helping?
Yeah.
Acha, Miun Mahal chu Madad Karan be Miun Dost Farooq Ahmad. Suhech Nawan me Waria be inshallah Bugatsa continue.
Yus to you pan business se tromuchu na apple pie. The at baras maz went to the ikit put out the damagas maz ke bakar yeti panun business start.
Actually, yechu ak tradition. Tsun taichi chu ak tradition. Yechu no idea. Yechu prune idea. Magar as os soinchan. Kiazi chuniki hin nafar chu banawan asal tsun taichi be kanan sore dunyamans. Be as os soinchan agar as chu banawan tsun taichi ya asli apple chips. Be yechu no cheese market mans. Yechuna ak cheese dati chu. We didn't just want to pull business away from others and compete. We wanted to contribute something new to the market also.
Already ak cheez ana wis kim cheezan karna to fascinate ke kashir maz roznas. Kya bacho to ye tu cheez ke to dubna vai kar kashir maz kar. Kus kim cheezan karna to fascinate.
Baharis to warrior asla, Baharis to warrior kupsrad. Agra teka which on voini, sheen to warrior. Be yele yechu subai be tichu whichon baharden spet ya baharden yechu wari kubsarat be look to wari hospitable agra buchus gatsen ak no jai buchus na kortsan keski buchusanan sorry na fortu hospitable be yemchu gatsen pritsan agar buchus yetsan chai be ye was Brunkin interviews Brunkin interviews agar bugatsen ak no village ya no jai yemchu gatsen dime chai yemchu gatsen yemchu waria hospitable
techi vana look wal chai cha badkha techi seri karan alo
yemchu wanan batkyota chai cheta valeta chai valeta kyobata be sorry nafar sut tuchi yatsan wale kwachput tikput asaput
Bradley zano yustai kam chuna kara chumut hej kam kus variety chu toy nish available meti heito kus variety chu toy nish available
Az katra asu chef variety yechu golden delicious
delicious golden delicious
golden delicious chu waria khan yechu khan chuna added we don't add sugar but it's a very sweet variety be yechu maharaja chu tsok
maharaja
be yechu golamast ya galamust yechu waria it is a very typical apple flavor magar it is seasonal it is a seasonal variety yechu green apple ya granny smith be yechu be waria tsok waria tsok
green apple ya sikim karanch variety vari variety shimo thai mat be kus variety shi variety
be yechu delicious chu waria sweet be takriban yechu kula delicious it is very sweet most people know Kashmir for this variety actually be yechu chamura chu sweet and sour I like this one the most actually
Toju ya thomut likhit ingredients
yechu apples the lime bas
apple facts
fresh lime apple facts
kus variety shim total
az yechu she magar asu earth variety yechu American trail be red gold
Toju you business panu yasan extend karum badaun yasan
inshallah ye vari asu gatsen extend karo
Just don't family chana toy mani pani family in this baras me just pani missus chu yeti toy kal bachu be yeti
yemchu yeti basut me and kandarin tre bachen
to just on mahol chuna just Kashmir mahol chu man chu toy Kashmir mahol asi mazi watan bewan the time to just toy in pachuna pani hamsai neighbors tim kit pachu toy se treat kara
soon hamsai chu pasand karek they are like family soon hamsai asu chawan chai waria asu batkyota kunvize myun hamsai chu iwan ak dish be asu dewan ak dish be myun hamsai chu dewan acha myun hamsai shur chu gindang myun shur sut it's like family. It's like extended family.
Tuhun shur tja shamai Kashmir.
Be what?
Tuhun shur tja shamai Kashmir.
Myun shur?
Yim bach.
Yem chu hechan var.
Acha var tja. Yo che message chitem tja huchmut.
Such a hechan.
Acha hechan. Me want to ask you just tuhun life na American life cha bad khoobsurat life man such one fast life man European life cha yete zyada like karan to asu wuchmut Kashmir man cha European life man zyada like karna te Brady and tro pani European life to Kashmir man to ak simple life guzaran cha Brady
aksar mostly Kashmiri mans wadi look to zindagi karan simple life. Be American kunvize ye gats wadi jaldi. Be yechu ak cheese magar sorry dunya chu kataisans. You can find simple life, you can find busy life anywhere. I think you must protect life to be simple. Yeah.
Yus those family yus American family tum cha toy se contact karan tum cha toy call
sorry don as chu kat karan sut miun muot mien muoj mien benyet boys be as kat karan video call ya phone call Voini yechu waria technology asaka katkaran.
Ready akhir chu zan yasan bu ke kashirin zos halat aksar behtar chi wan kashir ma cha halat kharab. Toy gei win travedi ke tons family ti chu as pai ke kashir ma chu aksar wan cha halat kharab. Toy ba chu tut ke cheez.
Me sonchan agar halat chu kharab dati chu ak personally as paisa kum karanyati. Kaski, I think if everyone in the world does work only where the condition is good, then nothing improves, right? But if we spread out and we contribute to doing good, to bringing to the economy where the economy needs a little bit of help anywhere within the world, then we are playing our part to increase the community.
Ak word went to yat kashir mutalik.
Be what?
Ak word went to yat kashir mutalik.
Acha.
About something.
My favorite thing is Panch Anguij Chanahiche. Keski what you look to Sonchan Buchus American Buchus Gatsen Katkaran be Sonchan be Karan cheese passant ak American. Be agar ak nafarchu Kashmir ya Indian ya African wadi look to kunivize yimchu soinchan they will act and think and do certain things magar sorry nafarchu faraka panch anguij chanahishe
Chalo shukriya to time dene khatre ready
shukriya
time